Hey lovelies, this is a video of me sewing in an elastic band to make my wigs tighter. I've lined it up and now I'm sewing. So as you can see, I sewed on one side and I'm just carefully removing the old elastic band from the other side. What you want to do is cut it before the lace and then just take off the stitches, the old stitches, and then you want to connect the other elastic band. I'm really sorry that some of these shots are out of focus as well as out of frame. And then you want to do a simple, I think this is called a blanket stitch, where you go over and over, and you want to make sure that you do not grab any hair. So just make a line, a path through the hair, so that you can ensure that you're not taking any hair. If you do take hair, just try and comb it out so it doesn't knot. Thank you for watching. Like and follow for more.